E-commerce marketing strategies that drive results. Having an online store is a great idea. With the advancement of technology, it is pretty easy to set up. E-commerce marketing plan. An e-commerce marketing plan is like a roadmap for success, helping you navigate the wild world of online retail and reach your business goals. E-commerce digital marketing. Next, to make your strategy successful, you need digital marketing. It is the heart and soul of your e-commerce store's success. E-commerce content marketing. Creating engaging and valuable materials such as blog entries, videos, or infographics is the foundation of content marketing. E-commerce SEO strategy. SEO is about making your website more attractive to search engines so they'll bump you up in the search results. E-commerce PPC management. PPC, or pay-per-click, is a type of advertising where you pay each time someone clicks on your ad. E-commerce social media marketing. Social media is where it's at these days. With billions of people scrolling through their feeds daily, it's the perfect place to connect. E-commerce email marketing. Don't underestimate the power of email. Sending regular newsletters, promotions, and personalized offers can keep your customers engaged and returning for more. E-commerce SMS marketing. While people might ignore emails or scroll social media ads, they are far more likely to pay attention when a notification appears on their phones. E-commerce product photography. A picture is worth 1,000 words, especially when selling products online. E-commerce marketing strategies. Comprehensive understanding. We have extensively explored various facets of e-commerce marketing strategies, offering a wealth of information and insights. Integration of diverse components. By now, you should have a clearer grasp of how the different elements of e-commerce marketing seamlessly integrate with one another. Beyond product promotion. It's essential to recognize that e-commerce marketing goes beyond mere product promotion. Analogy to relationship building. An APT comparison is to view e-commerce marketing as akin to building friendships. Effective e-commerce marketing strategies, when implemented strategically, can significantly boost sales and drive tangible results for businesses. For more information, click the link in the description.